Welcome to AI Apprentice. Join us as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence designed especially for beginners. At AI Apprentice, our mission is to empower complete beginners with the skills to harness AI in everyday life. Whether for school, work, or fun, we're here to guide you step by step. Who is AI Apprentice for? Inexperienced beginners will help you start from scratch. Students, learn how AI can enhance your studies. Seniors, discover how to use technology to connect and engage. What makes AI Apprentice unique? We use AI to teach AI. Our content is created using tools like ChatGPT and Animaker, ensuring high-quality learning experiences. Expect a variety of content including tutorials, tips, and creative projects. Our goal is to make AI learning fun and accessible. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to exploring the world of AI together with you.